Today's video is going to be, oh yeah, I'm probably going to win first place every round, because I always win first place every round, and I have no clue why. But, yeah. Easy. Better get that. Alright. This is fun. I am bored. I am bored today. Bored today. And why am I making this? I'm bored. Even though I love making videos for you guys. I love y'all so much. But sometimes I get so bored of making one type of video all day. I saw one of your comments on like a parody or song thing, and I might do that. Might. But yeah. So I'm just gonna kill a bunch of people and do a bunch of stuff in the game, and I'm king now and I've never noticed it. King, queen, whatever you want to call it. Polio is one of my favorite games. Go download it in the App Store. And let's do this. Ma, wait.
This is a network error, probably.
Yeah, our network's not working right now, so I have to make something off of the internet. And I'm gonna upload this to YouTube later, and I might edit it. I might edit this video. Love you guys. Oh, first place. Well, that's all good. Why am I talking like that anyway?
Wait, Anna?
What?
Your internet working now? Working now?
No, I'm just playing Holia. I'm on screen recording.
Oh.
I'm
playing
I don't know. But you guys, comment down below what video I should do next. So I might do a song or parody next. You never know. Unless you keep updated with my videos. So yeah. But you guys, I can't believe that I'm actually a YouTuber. It's been my dream. Now it's come true. Just eat a bunch of buildings. You. Biggie. Biggie. I'm a biggie. Where's the park in this server anyway? My goal, biggest thing in the server, which is that building, I think. I am not that sure. It might be the biggest thing. Somebody ate the park. Oh man, I really wanted that park. I'm just going to get sized up and then eat the building. No! Man. At least I'm in first place. Alright, let's play again. Man, I'm gonna play until I get to my favorite one. Cause life is hard. The life of a whole. Life is hard.
It says no network number.
My life is hard, you guys. I love my life, but it is hard. So hard. Brother's annoying. Actually asked him to join the video and I have no clue why. I just want to be nice for once. Okay? Don't judge me. I'm gonna be in like last place this time because I can't find anything. Oh, the park. The park helps me so much. Get yeeted. Popeyes is here. I'm gonna make a part 2, you guys. I will see you next.